Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to link your Fidelity account to PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you'll find the option to link a new bank account. This is the initial step to connect your financial platforms seamlessly and securely. Next, you'll need your Fidelity account details. Specifically, locate your Fidelity routing number and your full account number. You can typically find these important numbers on your Fidelity statements or by logging into your Fidelity online portal. Having these ready ensures a smooth linking process, allowing PayPal to identify your account correctly. Now, return to PayPal and carefully enter the Fidelity routing number into the designated field. Follow this by inputting your Fidelity account number. It's crucial to double-check all the digits for accuracy before proceeding. This step ensures that PayPal correctly identifies and connects to your Fidelity account. Finally, PayPal will send two small deposits, usually under $1, to your Fidelity account. Check your Fidelity transaction history for these amounts. Once you see them, return to PayPal and enter these exact deposit amounts to verify your account. This confirms the successful link, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.